Have you ever looked at someone who seems to attract wealth effortlessly and thought, what's their secret? Maybe you've tried everything, working harder, saving every penny, even visualizing success. Yet the financial freedom you dream of still feels just out of reach. If this resonates with you, you're not alone. Here's the truth. Creating wealth isn't just about hustle, luck, or even intelligence. It's about alignment, aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the abundance you desire. This is where the law of attraction becomes a game changer. But it's not magic, and it's not about wishful thinking. It's a process, a method that, when done right, can completely transform how money flows into your life. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to find the fastest path to wealth using the principles of the law of attraction. By the end, you'll not only understand how this powerful universal law works, but also how to apply it effectively to your life. So, if you're ready to let go of struggle, shift your mindset, and unlock the abundance that's waiting for you, stay with me. Because today, you'll discover the exact steps to take control of your financial destiny. Let's get started. What does wealth mean to you? For some, it's the freedom to travel the world, waking up every day without worrying about bills. For others, it's building a legacy, ensuring their family is cared for, or creating a life filled with opportunities and comfort. Here's the thing. If you're not clear about what wealth looks like for you personally, how can you expect to attract it? Imagine you're trying to hit a target with your eyes closed. No matter how strong or accurate your aim is, without a clear view of where you're going, you'll miss. The same principle applies to building wealth. You need a crystal clear vision of what you're aiming for. Without it, you're just sending mixed signals to the universe, and the law of attraction can't deliver what you truly want. Take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, what does financial abundance mean to me? Is it a specific income goal? Is it the ability to wake up and choose what you want to do each day? Or is it about having peace of mind, knowing you're financially secure? Whatever it is, write it down. Make it as specific and detailed as possible. When you define your version of wealth, you create a powerful focal point for the law of attraction to work with. This clarity sends a clear message to the universe. This is what I want, and I'm ready to receive it. Remember, wealth is deeply personal. Your definition might look different from someone else's, and that's perfectly okay. What matters is that it resonates with you and aligns with the life you truly desire. Once you've clarified your vision of wealth, you've laid the foundation. Now, the journey to attract it becomes much clearer and faster. What's the first thought that comes to your mind when you hear the word wealth? Is it excitement, possibility, or do you feel a twinge of doubt, fear, or even resentment? The truth is, your inner dialogue, the constant stream of thoughts running through your mind, shapes the reality you experience. And when it comes to wealth, these thoughts act as the blueprint for your financial life. If your inner dialogue is filled with phrases like, I'm just not good with money, or I'll never be able to afford that, you're unintentionally programming your mind to attract more of the same. Struggle and limitation. These thoughts become self-fulfilling prophecies. But here's the good news. You have the power to rewrite that script. Start by becoming aware of the words and phrases you use when you think or talk about money. Do they reflect scarcity or abundance? When you catch yourself in a negative thought, don't criticize yourself. Instead, replace it with a statement that aligns with the reality you want to create. For example, shift "I'll never have enough" to "I am open to opportunities for wealth and abundance." The key isn't just saying these affirmations, but truly feeling them. Speak to yourself as though you already have what you desire. When you repeat empowering beliefs with conviction, your mind starts to believe them, and the universe responds by aligning with your new energy. Remember, your words are powerful. They're like seeds planted in your subconscious, shaping your reality day by day. By shifting your inner dialogue from scarcity to abundance, you're not just changing your mindset, you're changing the entire trajectory of your financial life. Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt the energy? Whether it was positive and uplifting or tense and heavy, just like spaces carry energy, so do you. And when it comes to attracting wealth, your energy plays a critical role. Money, like everything else, is energy. To draw it into your life, your energy needs to match the vibration of abundance. But here's where many people get stuck. They focus on the lack of money rather than the wealth they desire. When you constantly worry about bills, debt, or not having enough, you're sending out a frequency of scarcity. And the universe, like a mirror, reflects that back to you. To shift this, start by tuning into higher vibrations. Gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to elevate your energy. Instead of fixating on what you don't have, focus on what you do. Take a moment each day to list the things you're grateful for, whether it's a warm meal, a roof over your head, or the opportunities that lie ahead. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, creating a magnetic pull for more of what you appreciate. Another way to align your energy is to visualize your goals as if they've already been achieved. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life you desire. Feel the emotions of joy, freedom, and security as if it's already yours. This emotional alignment is what bridges the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Remember, the universe doesn't respond to your words alone. It responds to the energy behind them. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions are aligned with abundance, you become a magnet for wealth. So, ask yourself, what energy am I putting out today? Make the decision to align it with the abundance you know is possible. Imagine for a moment that you're already living your dream life. Picture the house you wake up in, the car you drive, the freedom to do what you love every day. Now, don't just see it, feel it. This is the power of visualization and emotional anchoring, a tool that can completely transform your financial reality. Visualization is more than just daydreaming. It's a deliberate practice of mentally rehearsing your future as though it's already here. When you visualize, your brain can't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. It starts to create neural pathways that align with the life you're envisioning. This process primes your mind to recognize opportunities and take actions that bring your goals to life. But visualization alone isn't enough. You need emotional anchoring. Emotions are the fuel that give your visualizations power. When you visualize yourself achieving your financial goals, connect deeply with the feelings that come with it. Is it joy? Freedom? Security? Let those emotions flow through you, as if the dream is already your reality. The stronger the emotional connection, the more powerful the signal you're sending to the universe. To amplify this practice, try creating a vision board or using guided meditations that align with your goals. Look at your vision board daily and allow the images to evoke the emotions tied to your dream life. The combination of clear imagery and strong emotions creates a magnetic pull that attracts the opportunities, resources, and people you need to make your vision a reality. Remember, you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. By visualizing and emotionally anchoring yourself to your dream, you become a living reflection of the wealth and abundance you desire. And that's when the magic starts to happen. The law of attraction is a powerful force, but here's the truth many people overlook. It doesn't work without action. While visualizing and aligning your energy are essential, they set the stage for the next critical step, taking inspired action. This is the bridge between dreaming and achieving. Inspired action isn't about working yourself to exhaustion or forcing things to happen. It's about taking intentional steps that feel aligned with your goals and the life you're trying to create. These actions come from a place of flow, not struggle. They often feel natural, exciting, or even a little outside your comfort zone. For example, let's say you're visualizing financial freedom. An inspired action might be reaching out to someone in your network for advice, signing up for a course to develop new skills, or finally starting that side hustle you've been thinking about. These steps might not guarantee instant success, but they set the energy in motion. They signal to the universe that you're serious about your intentions and ready to receive. Pay attention to your intuition during this process. When you're aligned with your goals, you'll start to notice opportunities that you might have overlooked before, a conversation, an idea, or even a random event that nudges you in the right direction. Don't ignore these signs. Trust them and take action when they appear. The law of attraction thrives on momentum. Every step you take creates more energy, opening doors you didn't even know existed. So, ask yourself, what small step can I take today that aligns with my dreams? No matter how small it seems, take it. When you pair clear intention with inspired action, you become unstoppable. Have you ever noticed how the people around you influence your thoughts, beliefs, and even your habits? If you're serious about attracting wealth, One of the most powerful steps you can take is to surround yourself with abundance-minded people. These are the individuals who see opportunities instead of obstacles, who inspire you to dream bigger, and who genuinely believe that success is possible for everyone, including you. The energy of the people you spend the most time with has a direct impact on your mindset. If you're constantly around those who complain about money, focus on scarcity, or discourage your ambitions, it's easy to absorb their limiting beliefs. Without even realizing it, you might start to doubt your own potential. But when you surround yourself with people who think abundantly, their mindset begins to rub off on you. You start to adopt their way of seeing the world, one filled with opportunities and possibilities. Seek out environments where abundance thrives. Join communities, attend workshops, or engage with online groups where people are actively pursuing success. These spaces often spark fresh ideas and motivate you to take action toward your goals. Mentors can also play a transformative role. Learning from someone who has already achieved what you aspire to accomplish can fast-track your progress and provide invaluable guidance. If you don't currently have abundance-minded people in your life, don't worry. You can start by immersing yourself in books, podcasts, or videos created by those who inspire you. Surrounding yourself with their wisdom and energy, even virtually, can have a profound effect on your mindset. Remember, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. The more you align yourself with those who uplift, encourage, and challenge you to grow, the faster you'll attract the wealth and success you deserve. When you're working toward wealth and abundance, resistance will inevitably show up. It might come as doubt, impatience, or the fear that things aren't happening quickly enough. These feelings are normal, but they can block the very abundance you're trying to attract. Overcoming resistance and learning to trust the process is essential for letting wealth flow into your life. Resistance often comes from limiting beliefs or past experiences that make you question whether you're truly capable of achieving your goals. Thoughts like, "What if I fail?" or "This is taking too long," can creep in, pulling your energy toward fear and scarcity. The key is to recognize these thoughts for what they are: temporary roadblocks, not permanent barriers. Acknowledge them without judgment, and then let them go. One powerful way to overcome resistance is by focusing on the present moment. Anxiety and doubt usually stem from worrying about the future or replaying past mistakes. When you ground yourself in the now, you free your mind to embrace the possibilities unfolding around you. Practices like meditation, journaling, or even a few deep breaths can help you stay centered and aligned with your goals. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Trusting the process means having faith that everything is working out for your highest good, even if you can't see the results right away. Think of planting a seed. You water it, nurture it, and trust that it will grow, even though you can't see what's happening beneath the soil. The same principle applies to your journey with the law of attraction. Your efforts are planting seeds of abundance, and with time and consistent alignment, they will bloom. Every time doubt arises, remind yourself, the universe is working behind the scenes to bring me what I need. When you let go of the need to control every step and instead trust that the path is unfolding perfectly, you allow abundance to flow freely into your life. Patience and trust aren't just virtues, they're powerful tools for attracting wealth. Now that you've discovered the 7 key steps to finding the fastest path to wealth with the law of attraction, take a moment to reflect on what you've learned. Clarity, mindset, energy, visualization, inspired action, relationships, and trust. Each of these elements works together to create a foundation for abundance. The path to wealth isn't just about strategy. It's about aligning your entire being with the success you desire. Here's the most important takeaway. Everything you need to attract wealth is already within you. The thoughts you think, The energy you project and the actions you take all have the power to shape your financial reality. But it's not enough to simply know this. You must apply it. Start small if you need to. Define what wealth means to you, shift one limiting belief, or take one inspired step toward your goals today. Even the smallest action, when done with intention, can create massive ripple effects in your life. Remember, this journey isn't about perfection. There will be moments of doubt, resistance, and setbacks. That's normal. What matters is how you choose to respond. Trust that every challenge is teaching you, every delay is guiding you, and every step is bringing you closer to the abundance you deserve. As you move forward, keep this in mind. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom, fulfillment, and living the life you've always dreamed of. The law of attraction is your partner in this process, but it responds to you. When you align your mind, emotions, and actions with abundance, the universe has no choice but to deliver. So, what's your next step? What will you do today to start aligning with the wealth you desire? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your journey. And if this message resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video and share it with someone who's ready to unlock their own path to abundance. Your dream life is closer than you think. Trust yourself, trust the process, and watch as everything begins to shift in your favor.